dakika mochuok tok sabiro mar Odiochieng. Janeno mar Kala TV ageno ni weekend mari no dhi yonendo makare. Odiochieng ma kawuono ni endi mar wuok tich tarik na 8 arwakini machiegni mar winjo weche manyien e kidieny mar Dier Odiochieng. Bedo koda nyaka giko ka jaloko marwa en Wechemanyien. Mami weche manyien gi nane Tracy Ouma machiegni. Jatend but siasa nendo mano mar Azimio Kalonzo Musyoka ne otimo limbe mar piny mar Amerika kamano tene kanyo kod migosi Robert Mbui kanyo endo kod Dan Maanzo kinde limbe mare migosi Kalonzo Musyoka no Uganda jo Kenya mabende ni e pinje go koma oko mondo mi koroni to ndikre kaka jogo koma gombulu motelo kanyo ne yiero maduong' mabiro higa manyien mano higa mar 2027 kinde nendo Kalonzo bende korone Uganda jo Kenya mano kono mondo koroni to oriwre kendo bed gi moro achiel.
We are working very hard. Kwa hivyo ukiona wazee kama Kibaka wamelala, wale ambao tumebaki tuna jukumu kubwa sana la kuhakikisha Kenya stands strong and an equal nation, well-led under the rule of law. Those are the things. Lakini ukimsikiza President Ruto siku hizi, yeye tu mambo yake ni Kalonzo. Nasema Kalonzo na Rigiji ni wajinga. Ni wajinga, sisi ni wajinga kweli, because hatujui kuwa watoto. Hatuwezi kuwa watoto, ni wajinga. Today, because it's already late, alikuwa kanisani somewhere in Pipeline in Nairobi. Anasema kila mtu atatoa rekodi yake. Ndio sasa Wakenya waamue watachagua yupi. Na sisi tunamwambia rekodi yetu ni kwamba tulizuia wewe usiwe watoto kushinda ile wanaokuwa vitu kama hivyo. Alright, so I don't want to bring that tough politics before this congregation, but you are Kenyans, and we want to persuade you to remain focused on your home ground, because you know watoto wengi, you can relatives wengi, you are, and remember that when it comes even for time to register watoto wetu kama voters, even those who are able to from this end, try and as much as you can to send word across that in order to bring the change that we require in Kenya, we need Kenyans to register as voters. And then wakitoka wakati wake, a lot of you I think are from the mountain region hapa, and you know what it means to come out and vote. Ulisema kumera. Unajua mimi miaka 15 I supported my brother Raila Odinga. Sindio? I love Raila Odinga. So tukaona at least we should meet and eulogize Prime Minister Raila Odinga. And at that meeting, it was decided that I become the new party leader for Azimio la Umoja. 1K, mungenipigia makofi hapo. Ruto sasa ameanza kurukaruka, anasema Azimia. Sasa kama Azimia anasema tulinyorosha mapema. I think he was even forgetting, he's trying to talk to Luo Nyanza wapatie support, lakini unachekelea baba na baba amelala, unasema tulinyorosha. Sasa ndio mshida maajabu ya leadership ya kwetu kule. So Robert should be the majority leader because Mahakama Kuu, the Court of Appeal, actually decided the majority party in the National Assembly after the last election was not UDA, it was Azimio Coalition. That has not been placated in court, but that's why now my brother Ruto is making noise. Napiga kelele because anaona sasa hii kiumana na naye, because he was hoping he can grab hold of ODM. But ODM pia wamezungumza openly huko Busia, wakasema they are not in UDA. And so they Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya. That is the argument inaendelea, very healthy argument.
Weche mamoko mopogore kod mano ni kanyo Odiochieng manyoro jatend migao mar arita ma iye machon mano Laktar Fred Matiang'i ne oriwore kod moko kuom jotelo mabende wuok e duond but siasa mabende balo kanyo kod piny owacho e kinde mabende ne gine karalam moro Matiang'i kinde mane loso ne openjo ni ang'o momiyo sirikal pod dwaro mondo migi thuolo mar bede e apisi kata doko ni onge dongruok moro amora ma bende gichwalo ne oganda mag jo Kenya. Matiang'i bende nyalo ni but siasa no endo mobalo kod piny owacho. En mano bende ka oganda jo Kenya biro miyo thuolo kinde mabiro nyime to biro chwalo ne jo Kenya chenro mopogore opogore moting'o kanyo ng'iyo weche beko mag thieth manywando jopuonj, polise to kaachiel kod rango bende chenro gweko mar kuma mar thieth mar SHA.
Kila wakati wanataka waongezewe muda. Unajua ukipewa kazi unaomba uongezewe muda kufanya kitu fulani. Wao tunawaongezea muda kufanya nini? Yaani tunawaongezea muda watoto wetu waendelee kukaa nje ya shule. Tuwaongezee muda tuendelee kuteseka na SHA. Tuwaongezee muda waendelee kuchukua yale mashamba, wale hatuna akili hatuwezi chukua, wale ambao wanachukua wale wako na akili. Tafadhali hiyo maneno ya kuambiwa tuongezee, waulize tuwaongezee muda kwa nini? Why do you want more time? Ufanye nini? Sababu sasa hakuna kitu unafanya saa hii, tukuongezee muda ufanye nini? Kwanza haya mambo ya kuajiliwa kwa walimu. Hawa viongozi wako hapo wa kisiasa wanaelewa. Sasa imekuwa mambo ya aibu eti walimu wanaandikwa kutoka kwa ofisi ya rais. Ukiwa rafiki wa hiyo ofisi unaenda pale unapewa barua unaenda kualika walimu. Sasa kama Wanjiku Muya yeye hawezi kuenda kualika walimu, hawezi kuandika walimu. Yeye anaonekana kama ni adui ama mkunji. Kwa sababu kama mtu mmoja ndiye anaandika walimu, mtu mmoja, mabarua zinapelekwa kwa ofisi moja ili waandike walimu namna hiyo. Wa Kenya mnataka nchi yetu iendeshwe namna hiyo? Hapana. Mtoto kutoka hapa Njabini ako na haki ku apply aende aandikwe kuwa mwalimu. Na mambo haya ya ufisadi kwa serikali ambayo inajulikana. Tunaelewa, tunataka viongozi wetu wa kitaifa wajue hivi. Haya sio maneno tunafanya kwa sababu ya sarakazi. We are not engaged in public entertainment. Tunaelewa serikali and we understand what is happening. Walimu, teacher unions leo, vile mmesikia hapa Mheshimiwa Muturi amesema, wamesema wanataka withdraw 400,000 teachers kutoka kwa hiyo maneno ya SHA. Ukiangalia budget line, insurance cover ya walimu ni 17 billion. Na vile ilifanywa, wale ambao walipewa hiyo kandarasi kufanya ni makampuni ya wakubwa wawili kwa serikali hii wa kitaifa. Sasa walimu hawana insurance, hawana cover, wanahangaika.
Kane gilose kinde nyasi mar alame kanisa mar Kenya Assembly of God e gwenge ma Koro Maiti e kar chung' bura malungari, jod bura go kano telnegi kod jod bura malungari migosi Nabina Bwire, jod bura ma Ikolo Maini migosi Bernard Shinali, jod bura ma Shinyalu migosi Freddy Kana, kod jod bura ma kaunti no ma Kakamega Mikai Elsie Muhanda. Gikono moluor Uhuru Kenyatta mondo koro ni owere chuth kod siro siasa makelo tungni e sirikal mar jatend piny owacho masani Laktar William Ruto.
Tafadhali mupeane nafasi William Ruto naye aongoze kipindi yake. Hata mkiongea, hata muibe, hata mlete matusi, sisi tunaona ile inafanyika hapa chini. Wakati huu Kenya wanaweza kopa pesa yao wenyewe. Pesa ile ya NSSF sasa hatuwezi kopa ya nje.
Ukiona akipigwa vita na wale wengine wale waliokuwepo, wale akina rais aliyekuwepo Uhuru Kenyatta, ni kwa sababu Rais William Ruto amewashangaza. Ile kazi amefanya kwa miaka mitatu imezidi ile ambayo walifanya zaidi ya miaka 10 na hata 20. Kwa sababu wakati Rais Uhuru Kenyatta alikuwa na nafasi ya kuongoza hii Kenya, badala ya kuhakikisha kila Mkenya anapata nafasi ya kuwa na mazingira ama nyumba ambazo zinaweza kuwasitiri wanajamii pamoja na watoto wao, yeye kile kitu kikubwa alifanya kilikuwa kujenga estate yake kubwa inaitwa Northland City kule Nairobi.
Jotelo go bende umoige piny no gibiyie mondo josiasa mabaloge piny owacho dhi nyime gi siasa marocho sirikal mano yier gi jopiny e yo demokrasia, kagilero ni mano en dhi ataro gi dwa jopiny.
Hiyo matusi inakuja ya kina Kasongo, ya kina sijui Zakayo, ya kina nani, ni vile wameshindwa.
Bende kinde go ne gichayo mokalo gavana e kaunti no ma Kakamega moluor Fernandes Barasa kagiyuak ni okosechwalo kidongruoge makonyo jopiny e kaunti no. Kata obedo ni kaunti no yudo omenda mathoth kowuok e sirikal mamalo, mar siro dongruoge ne jopiny.
Watu wa Kakamega wanasema they cannot see 53 billion. Oparanya alianza na 6 billion. Tuliona hiyo kazi. Akaenda kwa 9 billion. Tukaona kazi. Akamalizia na 12 billion. Hata haikufikia hiyo 53. Lakini simuliona kazi ya Oparanya? Ama namna gani? Simuliona na ECD? Si madawa ilikuwa hospitali?
Aliniita mosquito, mimi ndio huyu. Lakini huyu mosquito is giving him sleepless nights, eh? Hello? Hata ni tusi gani? A focus of Kakamega people is that we must, lazima tukomboe kaunti yetu. Every year, tukiwa na Oparanya, tulikuwa tunajenga 60 ECDs. 60. Kwa miaka mitatu sasa tungekuwa tumejenga 180. Zimejengwa ngapi?
Negitieko kagilero ni oganda ma Kakamega dwaro dongruok makare, tok siasa mapile kapile to onge kod dongruok. Felogo Odiochieng, Kala TV.
Kawadhi nyime ni kanyo ni manenja ten migao mochung' ni jotije mag piny owacho mano Justin Muturi osemo kalo ten sirikal maker mathur kendi migosi William Samoei Ruto e kuom koso dewo rowere mabende osebedo kadhi e tije mag pinje maoko mathothgi osebedo ka wito ngimagi. Muturi oseyo ker William Ruto kowacho ni osebedo kanyo endo ka wuondo oganda jo Kenya kata rowere mabende wuok kadhi e tije mag pinje maoko. Rowere go mabende kochopo oko kono tindhiyogi kendo ichunogi mar mondo mi gidhi gidonje lweny mantiere kendo piny endo mar Russia to kod mano mar Ukraine. Muturi okoni Ruto mondo koro wuog oko mondo ng'i kaka inyalo kony wach maket kod mano.
Pembe nyingi sana za nchi wazazi na jamii wanalia, wanasema watoto Ruto alituambia anatafutia watoto wetu kazi inaitwa majuu. We are seeing Kenyans being killed in the fight between Russia and Ukraine. William Ruto, you have not commented on this. Musalia Mudavadi, Minister for Foreign Affairs, you have not commented on this. Soipan Tuya, Waziri wa Defense, kwa sababu hiyo ni mambo ya vita, you have not commented. Ile kamutu tunaita Kabaluku, kanaitwa Alfred Mutua, Waziri wa Labor, you have not commented on this. Why are you selling Kenyans? Kwani Ruto nani alikupea oda ya damu ya Wakenya? Watoto wanauawa pale katika vita na unasema ati unatupatia watoto kazi majuu. Wakifika hapa Doha, wakifika Dubai, wanachikwa, wanapelekwa kwa pahali ya vita kule Russia, wakapigana na Ukraine. Sasa tunasoma kila siku watu wetu wa Kenya wanauawa kule. And we are not seeing any comment from the president. Badala yake ni kushida akimangamanga nchi kila kijiji ati iko pesa na peana ati ya nyota. Kitu unaweza weka kwa M-Pesa na upatie vijana? William Ruto, I want to caution you. Kenya is a signatory to several international conventions. Among them, the resolution passed on 20th of December 2016 by the United Nations Security Council against human trafficking in conflict-prone areas or even post-conflict areas. So, why are you letting Kenyans be taken to Russia, to Ukraine, to fight? People who are not even trained, they are not military personnel. Wanafika pale, wanapewa uniform. Na wewe hapa rais, uwezi comment. Wazazi wanashinda wakilia kila wakati, mtoto wajulikani yako hapo. The next thing we hear, mwili imepatikana. For how long do you want these parents to continue suffering? Ukiwadanganya ni kazi unawapatia majuu. President Ruto, chunga, ICC inakuangalia. ICC inakuangalia. You cannot continue donating Kenyans as if we are commodities.
Neno mara Kala TV yeno mondo mi koro wagam yoyo matin oduogo gi mi weche manyien mamoko bende pod wan gi mesa mar weche manyien kaindi to kinyerere machuok.
It's enough to make a grown man cry, but not this man. Get back in there, Dier.
Tok yudo thuolo mar ng'eyo mathoth kowuok kuom jopuonjewa e sikunde ka iduogo pacho, warwaki kod chenro mamit molosi mana ne in iwuon mar kweyo pachi kaka nyathi. Chenro mar bang' sikul chakore saa 10:30 mamidhiambo nyaka saa 11 mamidhiambo, kama iyude sigana, wende manyasani kaachiel kod machon, kaachiel kod miel motimo cathedral mabende mori kaka nyathi. Bang' skul, chenro manigi mor lilo ne nyithindo duto. Kala TV, machiegni pacho ma e odwa.
Get ready to elevate your business and any other commercials when you advertise with us. We are not just a channel. We are your gateway to the peak, for we give you the precision and desire to your commercials. Let us be your partner in success, broadcasting your message to thousands of our viewers. Contact Kala TV today and let's make the magic together.
Machiegni kendo jalony weche go mag somo mabende dhi nyime pacho kaindi mano mar CBE. Atimo mos jalony weche go mag somo pod dhi nyime kod golo paro mopogore opogore kotenore kanyo kod kit somo nendo mar CBE. Ka moko kuomgi wacho ni kit somo nendo mar CBE en mano mabende nyaka gie sani dhi nyime yo nendo makare. Ka moko kuomgi to wacho ni kit somo no mar CBE ok en mano mabende chwalo yo nendo makare gie sani. Lipota marwa Justus Adoyo ne obedo piny kendo timo nonro e wach maket kod mano.
Kinde gi kima piny owacho kanyakla koda jonyuol e pacho kaendi pod go chandri mar biro neno ni nyandho mar kit somo manyien mano competency based education CBE okete tim e yo makare. Paro mopogore opogore koro pod nyime kod wuok kotenre kod kit somo kata lai mar somo nero manyien. Ka bende achiel kuom jolony e weche go mag somo mano migosi Richard Wuoragot mabende ne oyier kaka jagoro mar Kupet bade nero Siaya ni onyiso mor mare yo maket kod maendi kendo ne ogolo pache kotenre kod kido mar somo maket kod maendi.
Agoero kamano ni jopuonj manyowuok oko duto, jopuonj nyowuok oko mang'eny, jopuonj moingo 3,000 kendo nye gibiro mondo giket haki kendo menye gitele yiero Siaya. Koro jopuonj notimo maber kendo nye gin peaceful, nye onge koko, kwe nye nitie. Agoero kamano ni sirikal kotelne gi County Commissioner Siaya kaka nyokelo kwe makende ni jopuonj kochakre chieng' Tich Abich nyaka nyoro gotieno manye yiero rum.
Ka bende kinego go migosi Richard Agot oyango ni competency based education ne en paro nero maberie maliche mokalo.
Competency based curriculum is an idea, en gima ber kabisa. En mana ni koro implementation mare ema nyalo bedo gi challenges. But koro abe jopuonj osemiya nguvu. Koro abro rewra gi jowetewa mondo wang'ad paro kaka gi sirikal be mondo wane to competency based curriculum ni onyalo bedo implemented maber nade. To gimaber nikech en competency based curriculum idwaro ni itim mana gima ilonye, itim mana gima ing'eyo maber.
Par mabende osir machiegni mokalo kod okil Kamalok Ambrose Otieno Weda mabende ne otwa kod jofwambo yo maket kod maendi.
Curriculum is good. They always change. I was in the 7, 4, 2, 3. Then 844 came. Then this one. It's a normal. It changes over years. Every country changes. Now the CBC, I was in Ghana, I saw the CBC. So it has the challenges that come with a new thing. All will be settled. It will be corrected. Even before when they talked about it. They said every school will have day scholars. But now as we refine it, as it's being refined, it will be fine. So those challenges are normal. They are part of every process when we bring something new.
Kabinde kinigogo Ambrose Otieno Weda koro wacho ni migao mochung' ne weche mag somo dhi nyime kod chwalo tijene e yo maberie moloyo pacho kaendi.
There's no instability in the ministry. What's instability? The cabinet secretary is there, the president is there, the new people come in and they leave. There's not instability. Institutions are there, they work, not individuals. Individuals can change, but the institutions remain. We left President Uhuru left, Mheshimiwa Ruto came in. So the institutions are there and they have been built, and the civil service is always there, and they are the bulwark.
Kata kamano okil Kamaloka Ambrose Otieno Weda okos moko siemo moko kuom midhiero go eko ma competency based education no ero kaloe.
One of the things that I think will be a problem is that these people, I have seen that people write on textbooks. Now that makes it very costly. Because if a child loses a textbook, you have to buy it. The textbooks are the ones in which they write. So it becomes very, very, very costly for a country like Kenya, for people like us. It does not favor people who are not economically strong. That has to be addressed.
Bende kinegogo jagoro manyien mar kupet bade masiano ero migosi Richard Owuora Got ne okokoso kwayo ne piny owacho wa pacho kaendi.
Para ni piny owacho en ni mondo wabed gi curriculum implementation maber, onego bed ni we have the resources ma wanyalo tiyo go mondo wa implement curriculum no e yo moriere, kaka buge manyien, kaka jopuonj mondo medi, mondo wa make sure to kendo be onego ge enhance ni there is more workshops and more trainings mondo jopuonj obed gi lony mamalo e weche mag competency based curriculum.
E kinde magi duto koro dhi nyime, moko kuom skunde pacho kaendi to yango ni dhi nyime maber kod kit somo niri manyien mano competency based education. Laktar Patrick Dier en japuonj maduong' e skund Yawuoyi Maramba.
No, learning is going on. There are materials the government has brought in, and actually the other materials even online. So for schools seriously taking the curriculum like Ramba, we are not lacking any materials. We are up to date. But even the part that the government has not brought, we believe that our good government is going to bridge that gap so soon. Yeah.
Nekala TV and Justus Adoyo.
Mopogore kod weche go motenore kod mago eko mag somo, wadhi achiel kachiel nyaka e kaunti nendo ma Siaya, kama iyudo kanyo ni rawere mawuok e kaunti nendo ma Siaya e kar chung'o bura nendo ma Ogunja. Koro niendi to wuok tung' mosuo kod moko kuom jotelo don but siasa mar ODM ma bende nyaka gie sani temo kelo pogruok. Gikoro gavana mane kaunti no mano kanyo migosi James Orengo, jagoro maduong' maduong' bura no mano migosi Edwin Sifuna, jaod bura memba Kasi Babu Owino e kinde telo mamoko mondo koro migi gisani niendi odog chien kendo ng'i bero bende telo nendo mar broad based government ma bende ma osenindo migosi Raila Amolo Odinga noweyo ganda go mag jo Kenya.
We are with William Ruto, and William Ruto is a trusted friend. William Ruto sio mdanganyifu. Yeye ni mtu akisema hivi anafanya hivi. We are going to rally behind him, and we are making preparations to ensure that William Ruto is the second president. Don't listen to those noises from opposition figures. Some of those people, when they were in power, they blocked us from getting development. They said we didn't have shares in that government. Now they are regrouping outside William Ruto's government, and they are trying to mislead Kenyans that they have since changed and that they can bring transformation. There is no transformation that we can get from that group led by Kalonzo Musyoka. We want to say that we want our people to remain steadfast in government, and we are getting ready to ensure that we give William Ruto all the votes. We have just concluded ID registration, and we have been able to net more than 10,000 new voters. So these are the votes that are going to help William Ruto to become president for his second term.
Kwa majina naitwa Henry Wechemanyien kutoka Ugunja constituency. Sisi kama wana Ugunja tuna support broad-based government, the two-term president. Secondly, we want to ask our governor, why is he opposing the leaders from Nyanza that are in government? In Nyanza we have only 2 cabinet ministers, and they want us to get out of government. And in Mount Kenya we have 8 cabinet secretaries who are in the government. They are not opposing those people. the issue of Babu Owino, the likes of Sifuna. We want Sifuna to take the rally to Kandui or in Bungoma. That is his own stronghold. And he should not come here to play around with the Luo Nyanza people. Our request is one. We need development for the next 1.5 years. Empowerment of our people. The only thing that our Baba Raila Amolo Odinga that left us is this government. So the issue of Orengo and the likes of Sifuna, they should take their nonsense to the other regions. Santeni.
Jana power. Sisi kama mayutu tumeamua hatuwezi support watu watusaidii. Sisi tunataka empowerment. Na mheshimiwa wetu William Samoei Ruto amekuwa akisimama na vijana siku zote. Hakuna kijana shaienda State House. Lakini na serikali ya kwanza tumeona vijana wameenda wapi? State House. Sisi kama vijana tunasema ni tu. Sisi kama vijana tunasema ni tu. Ukikuja hapa na one term yako na una agenda, hiyo ni yako. Sisi tunasupport watu wanatusaidia. Unapata? Sisi tunatambua mtu kama Siezo pia Wandai. Wale mtu amekuwa akisimama na sisi. Unapata? Na tunasupport party leader wetu Oburu Oginga Odinga. Ndio party leader wa ODM. Sisi kama vijana tunasema vijana Ugunja, tunasema ni two term. Vijana power. Vijana power. Vijana power. Two term.
Mimi naitwa Joseph Ouma Juma. Mimi ndio ODM chair youth leader wa Ugunja constituency. Kile ambayo kimetendeka leo kuanzia kwake Orengo. Orengo ni mtu ambaye hana maendeleo, hana chochote. Alikuja akavamua soko. Hiyo soko ameacha wamama magari wanaua hapa kwa barabara. Badala arudi akuja atusaidie kujenga soko yake ni kusema one term. One term mwenye anasema huyo ndiye anakimbia kila pahali akijenga masoko. Tunahitaji waziri wetu ajikakamue, akuje asaidie wananchi, asaidie vijana vile tuko. Comrade power! Youth power! Asanteni sana.
Zaneno Markala TV hiye na mundo mikora chungi kanyo ka singo marbedo kodi ka indi koro mokanyo sa par. Ese chigombela bro mi Wechemanyien kidienye ndo maro podho chieng. Zaloko marwa neno bela chieng. Kama ni mi weche gi manyien nena na Tracy Ouma. Oriti Masani.